20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China will be convened from October 16th in Beijing. It's seen as a significant conference held at a critical moment in China's new journey of building a modern socialist country in an all-around way. The conference will plan out the goals, tasks and major policies for the party and country's future development, and has drawn the attention of the international community.
The 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China will be a great opportunity to help set China's political, economic, and the foreign policy trajectory for the next 5 years and beyond. Held once every 5 years, this key event will not only elect the party top leadership, but also create the roadmap to guide the nation in socio-economic development over the next 5 years and beyond.
What we see in the 20th Congress will be a redefinition of the challenges that faces China in the new era and practical roadmap to engage in those challenges.
أنا أتوقع هذا الاجتماع يعني كما ذكرت ربما سيضع الصين على طريق استمرار لما تم إنجازه في ال5 سنوات السابقة ومن قبلها العقود ال4 السابقة.
И поэтому многое, что будет сказано на съезде, я уверен, будет изучаться и даже копироваться в других странах мира в качестве матрицы успешного развития. Вот в этом плане, конечно, съезд Компартии Китая имеет действительно всемирное значение.
It's a historical meeting. I hope the outcomes of the meeting will contribute to China's development, common destiny of the world, and global peace and economy.